Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer files from your Android phone to your Mac. The first method I'm going to show you is using a free app called Local Send. This allows you to transfer files wirelessly using a Wi-Fi connection. For this method to work, you'll want both your Mac and your Android phone to be on the same Wi-Fi network. You can download Local Send on the App Store on both your Mac and your phone. Once that's installed, just go ahead and open it on both devices. Again, make sure they're both on the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, now we're going to start by sending something from my phone here. So we're just going to tap on send. And then as you can see, our devices have these code names. So like my phone is Secret Potato and the computer is Lovely Melon. So I can just click on send. I can see Lovely Melon here. That's my Mac. First, select the file that you want to share. So I'm just going to select this video, and then I'll just click on Lovely Melon. Now here on my Mac, I get this pop-up. Just click on accept. And there it goes. You can see the progress bar on both sides. And that finished. Okay, now we're going to send a file from my Mac to my phone. And I get this pop-up on my phone. Just hit accept. And there it is. So I actually really like this method. It sends files really fast, and it's really just dependent on how fast your internet connection is. The second method I'm going to show you is using a USB cable and a free app called Android File Transfer. First, you'll want to go to this link which I've included in the description. This will allow you to download Android's own file transfer tool. Once you've downloaded it, you'll just want to click on that DMG and transfer it to your Applications folder. Next, you can just go to Applications and it should be right there. Now, connect your phone to your Mac using a USB cable. Then when this pops up, just say Open. Okay, now it will always give you this error when you first plug in your phone. You just always have to hit OK. And then on your phone, you'll get a pop-up that says Allow access to phone data. And just hit Allow. And then Android File Transfer should pop up, and you should be able to see all your folders. Now you can just navigate to the folder of your choice and select the files. Now sometimes if you're opening a large folder, it will give you that spinning wheel of death. Just be patient. It should load within about 15 seconds. Now you can see we have our files here. I like to sort them by most recent just by clicking that. And then you can simply select the files that you want and hold Shift to select Arrange. Then you can just drag and drop them into the folder of your choice. As you can see, it transfers files super fast. And now all these pictures are here on my desktop. Now this app also allows you to transfer files from your Mac to your Android phone. So here I have some pictures, and I'm just going to drag and drop those into a folder. As you can see, it's copying those to your phone. Now let's just open up our phone and see if they're there. And as you can see, all these files are right here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found some value in this video, please give it a like. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, then subscribe.